Hello, and within this video today I'm going to be showing you the simple steps involved in installing the WordPress CMS blogging platform inside of cPanel. cPanel is a common web hosting control panel that comes with a lot of the major web hosting companies out there. The company that I host with is CK Web Systems, but you can find cPanel from companies like HostGator and Bluehost, iPanel, etc. It is an industry standard control panel, and most likely you'll actually have this already set up on your web hosting account. There's a software that's installed here that's called Softaculous, and Softaculous basically is a one-click software installation program that comes with the cPanel here. There's another one that's popular that is called Fantastico, and Fantastico will do the same thing with a different interface, but essentially it's going to be the same thing I'm showing you today. So I'm going to go into Softaculous by clicking here in the software section, and we'll see if we get in here. There's all kinds of different software that you can install over here. We're going to be focusing over here on the blogs, and we're going to go over and click on WordPress. And when you get in here to WordPress, you'll have the option up here at the top to install it. So I'm going to click on Install. And I'm going to leave this first box just as it is, http://. If you happen to have a need for an SSL or secure socket layer for your particular domain, you can change this here by picking HTTPS. But I'm going to leave it at HTTP. And the next option is to choose our domain. You'll see here you should have your domain listed. If you happen to have multiple domains associated with your hosting account, then they'll be listed in this drop down box. But for this demo, I'm just simply going to leave it here at wpdemovideos.com, and it's going to ask me in what directory do I want to install it, and this directory should not already exist. Well, I don't actually want to install WordPress in a separate directory or separate subfolder. I want it to actually be installed in the root domain folder. What do I mean by that? Well, basically I mean when somebody visits wpdemovideos.com, I want them to go directly into my blog. I don't want them to have to go to wpdemovideos.com/WP. You want to get them right in there, so I'm going to delete that out of there. The next line, the database name, you can leave that alone. Softaculous automatically generates that for you. It's unique. You don't have to worry about that changing. And same here with this as well. The only time that you would actually have to adjust this is if by chance your web hosting company doesn't offer unlimited MySQL databases. But most of the large companies out there, including mine, which I said before, CK Web Systems, they offer unlimited MySQL databases to their customers. And if your web hosting company doesn't, it's not a big deal. You can get around it, but honestly, in this day and age, everything's pretty much unlimited with the web hosting companies, and you'll be able to get past that quite easily. I'm going to go ahead and go down to this next section here of the site name, and your site name is basically just that. It's the name of your blog, and if you don't change it, it's going to default to my blog. But I'm going to set this up to be WP Demo Videos, and the site description is going to be a short, real brief description of what your blog is all about. And I'm going to call mine WordPress Tutorial videos. And the username for the administrators, the next thing you need to set, I usually just always leave that admin, and then you'll need to assign a password for that. So we'll just go ahead and create a password here, and you can change the administrative email address if you want, but I'll leave that at admin@wpvideos.com. If you'd like to have the details of the installation emailed to you, you can type in your email address in this box here, but I'm going to leave that blank and just go ahead and simply click on Install. And you'll see that the software was successfully installed. So at this point in time, the installation is complete. You can see how a simple one-click installation utility like Softaculous inside of your cPanel, or as I mentioned before, the one-click installation features that are offered within Fantastico is a really quick way to get you up to speed here and installed. So you can see that, had I not been doing a demo on this, you could have installed this yourself in a matter of about a minute. You're given your two options at this point. You can go ahead and view your website, or you can go ahead and log into your administrative panel. Your demo that you're going to see here, or default rather, WordPress installation is right here. WordPress comes with a basic template, and this is what it looks like. So that's going to complete it for this video today. If you'd like to learn more about customizing your new installation of WordPress, be sure to check out some of the additional videos that have been produced on this various subjects. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.